In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect GoXLR to Xbox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which console you have, you will be able to set up and use your GoXLR in conjunction with your Xbox console. So to do this, the main thing that you will need is an audio extractor. This will separate the audio from the HDMI output on your Xbox console, and it is crucial to get it to work properly and be detected within the software. You can find audio extractors available in places like Amazon, and this is the one that I'm showing off, but there are plenty of other ones available. Just make sure that it supports the appropriate resolution and output that you want to use. So this one, for example, supports 4K at 120 Hz, so it is more than enough. So once you have the audio extractor, you will need additional HDMI cables as well. The first thing that you have to do is plug the Xbox into the HDMI in port of the audio extractor. So you plug one end of an HDMI cable into the HDMI out on the Xbox console, and the other one goes into the audio extractor. With this done, you can now use the HDMI out port on the audio extractor and connect it to a monitor or TV. By doing this, you will now have access to the optical port on the audio extractor, and by using this optical port on the extractor, you can connect it to the GoXLR and then connect the GoXLR to your PC. Essentially, you will be bridging your PC, your Xbox console, and your GoXLR together. And now you can manage the software through your PC. Your Xbox should be detected. If your Xbox model has an optical port built into it, then of course you can skip this step, but I recommend doing it like this to make sure that everything works in conjunction. And I hope this video helped you. If this video helped you set up your GoXLR and Xbox console, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed, so if you subscribe, you can help us make higher quality videos. I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.